Welcome to Cash's Toy Review.
Welcome to Cash's Review.
Say it again.
Welcome to Cash's Review.
Oh, where are you putting it now?
I'm putting in some cars. Look at the wings from dun 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 dun.
Oh, another level. Another level. Oh, look at all these tracks. Which one? Those ones? Point, let me see.
I like these cars the best, but I like this kind of bus right here.
Right there, that's another level.
Yes,
Oh, let's do
but
one.
the
See all
last
of
time,
this.
this was going in the wall. This was stuck, and this was going in the wall
Which one?
level. This one.
This one here? Uh-huh.
In my hand.
Okay. Let's get in crap the level. So are you going to give away all these? A lot of toys. Are you going to give away all these toys?
No,
What?
I'm not going to.
Everyone wants these toys, so you can just give them away because you don't need them anymore.
No, I want them.
Ah. Oh, man. All right.
Dun,
Okay.
dun, dun, dun.
All right, well, let's see one guy. Well, let's see one of the guy go up. Brrr. Let's see him go up. Put down the cart. Let's go. Here we go, bud. He's going all the way up. He's going all the way up. Look at him go. He's going up the elevator. He's going to go all the way up. And then all the way down. Oh, there's a plane there. What's that plane doing there? Oh my gosh. Where is he? He better hurry. The plane better move out of the way. Uh-oh. Where is he? Oh, he got stuck. He's stuck. Oh, you gotta help him out. Ah. Whoa, there he goes. He's gonna go all the way to the top. Then he's go down there, go down there. Uh-oh. Let's see, he's almost there. He's almost there. Here he goes. Brr. Whoa, there he goes. Oh, you gotta give him a little, oh. Oh, got stuck again. Oh. Oh, it's broken. We gotta fix the lower level. Oh, he crashed. Poor baby. You fixed it? 2 now that's going down. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, let's move.
He can go faster than
Oh, he's back up again. He got stuck. Oh no.
That's okay.
He got stuck. Why did he get stuck? Oh, he's climbing again. He's trying to climb again, but you gotta know how to go in. Go in. There you go. We have to help him out. Oh, he's going up. Uh-oh. There they go. 2 of them. 2 on 2. Oh no.
There was traffic.
Oh, there's traffic. Oh, there's traffic.
There was traffic.
Uh-oh, here he comes. Oh, you're blocking him. Oh no. Where's the other one?
They hear you.
Uh-oh, is he ready? Oh, he's gonna be, that says gonna be a close. Oh, a traffic jam. He better go. Oh, here he comes. Oh no, he's stuck. Is it have a race? Oh, here we go. There they go. Oh, whoa. You want to wait for him? Okay, here he
I
comes.
want to do a
Okay, you're gonna have a big race? Okay, let's have a big race. Uh-oh, here we go. And then you have to press the lever. Let's see. Who's in it? No, put them here. Leave them here.
No,
wait. Leave them here. Oh my God. Wait. You gonna mark? Ready, steady,
Go, 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 go.
What are you doing?
I
Go.
just getting.
Oh, you're giving the gas. Oh, here we go. Oh, and he lost.
See?
Oh.
Do it like
No. Hang on. We're gonna race them. Oh, you wanna do it like that? Okay, fine.
No, I don't want to like that.
You're gonna race them? Okay. Oh, here we go.
What?
Ready, steady, go.
You go when do it again.
Ready, steady, go. Oh.